Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel that is Medical Studies Zone. Today we are going to talk about parts of compound microscope. Starting with the introduction, a compound microscope is a powerful tool used to observe tiny objects that are not visible to naked eye. It consists of multiple lenses which magnify the image of sample being examined. It is most commonly used type of microscope. If we talk about parts of compound microscope, parts of compound microscope are categorized into two categories. First are the mechanical parts that help in the mechanical function of microscope, and the other are the optical part that actually magnify the image. We will start the parts of compound microscope with the mechanical parts. The mechanical parts of compound microscope are base, stage, arm, draw tube, nose piece, adjustment screw, and screw for condenser. Starting with the base, this pointed arrow is pointing towards the base. The base of compound microscope is an essential part that provides stability and support to entire structure. It is typically a heavy and sturdy component made of metal or other durable material to ensure that microscope remains steady during use. Next part of compound microscope is stage. The stage of compound microscope is crucial component where you place the slides for examination. It is a flat platform with various features designed to securely hold and manipulate the sample. Next mechanical part of a compound microscope is arm. The arm of compound microscope is a critical structural component that connects the base to the head of the microscope. It provides support and stability, ensuring that various parts of microscope remain aligned and secure during use. Next mechanical part of compound microscope is draw tube. The draw tube of compound microscope is an important component that connects the eyepiece to the body of microscope. It allows for the adjustment of distance between the eyepiece and the objective lenses, which can be important for obtaining a clear and focused image. Next mechanical part of compound microscope is nose piece. The nose piece of compound microscope, also known as revolving turret, is a crucial component that holds the objective lenses. It allows the user to switch between different magnification levels by rotating the turret to align the desired objective lens with specimen being viewed. This feature is essential for examining specimen at varying levels of details and magnification. Next mechanical part of compound microscope is adjustment screw. Adjustment screws on a compound microscope are vital for focusing the specimen. There are two types of adjustment screws. The first one is coarse adjustment screw and the second one is fine adjustment screw. Coarse adjustment screw is larger knob that moves the stage up and down to bring the specimen into the general focus. It is used with lower magnification objective lenses. Talking about the second adjustment screw, that is fine adjustment screw. This is smaller knob. It is used for precise focusing after using the coarse adjustment. It helps to sharpen the image, especially when using higher magnification levels. The next part of compound microscope is screw for condenser. The screw for condenser on a compound microscope is typically used to secure the condenser in place and adjust its position. Now we will talk about the optical parts of compound microscope. The optical parts of compound microscope are mirror or bulb. Second part is condenser. Third part is iris diaphragm. Fourth part is filter holder. Fifth part is objective lens. Sixth part is eyepiece. Starting with the mirror or bulb. The purpose of mirror is to reflect light from external light source, usually a lamp, up through the condenser and onto the specimen. This illumination is crucial for viewing specimen clearly. Types: there are typically two sides to a microscope mirror: flat mirror and concave mirror. Now we will talk about the second part, that is condenser. The condenser of compound microscope is crucial component that focuses light onto the specimen, thus enhancing illumination and contrast. Now we will talk about iris and diaphragm. The iris diaphragm adjusts the diameter of light beam passing through the condenser. By changing the size of the aperture, it regulates the intensity and contrast to the illumination on the specimen. Next part is filter holder. The filter holder is designed to hold various filters, such as color filters, neutral density filter, and polarizing filters. These filters can modify the light passing through the condensers, improving contrast, reducing glare, or enhancing specific details in specimen. Next part is objective lens. The objective lens is responsible for gathering light from the specimen and forming a magnified image. The quality and magnification power of the objective lens significantly impact the clarity and detail of the observed image. Four different types of objective lenses are present normally. The first type is 4x that increase the image to 4 times. The next is 10x that increase the image to 10 times. Next is 40x that increase the image to 40 times, and next is 100x that increase the image size to the 100 times. Next part is eyepiece. The eyepiece is also known as ocular lens. It is the lens at the top of the microscope through which you look. The eyepiece magnifies the image formed by the objective lens, making the final image larger and clearer for the viewer. Types of eyepiece are monocular eyepiece, when there is only one eyepiece available for seeing, or binocular eyepiece, when there are two eyepieces available for seeing the specimen. Thank you for watching. This was all about the compound microscope parts. If you liked our video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you.